Alright, Ryan is bringing his custom-made basket up to the front. I got some real good stats on this thing for you, especially you guys in construction. This basket is 4x12, custom made out of aluminum. It weighs 300 pounds. You can buy a 4x10 made out of steel that weighs 1,000 pounds. So Ryan had his cousin build this out of aluminum, and as far as we know, we haven't seen any out there on commercially made yet on the market. So 4x12 feet is only 300 pounds out of aluminum compared to 4x10 steel at 1,000 pounds. That's why I like Ryan, man, always thinking outside the box. Also, he had it built so he could put his forks in either direction. So you see the slots here. Another genius move. Attaboy, Ryan. Good look at Ryan's ninja basket long ways. Very ingenious. All right, here we are in a basket, getting these last couple pieces of cedars in the corner. I'm standing up on the skid steer. We had to trim these little tops right there to fit the steel in. Man, they look pretty good. Another good idea from Ryan the man.